Hi everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here once again. Before I start, a very big and enormous thank you to all my subscribers and anybody who watches my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyway, today I'm going to be cooking a tortilla. It's a Spanish type of omelette and it's not authentic because I'm going to put some bacon in it to give it a little bit of extra flavour. It's a great snack, great meal. Stay with me and I'll show you how to do it. So we're going to need some potatoes sliced. These are Maris Piper. We're going to need one whole white onion, some whole eggs. I've got 4 here, but you can use 5, 6. Depends how many people you're cooking for, really. Some bacon, some milk, and some seasoning. So to kick off, we're going to cut the potatoes. You want them about this thickness. And we're going to do the same with the onions, nicely sliced, fairly thin. And the bacon too, mind your fingers, just into slices. So, in a bowl we go with the 4 eggs and a drop of milk. And of course we're going to need some seasoning. Some lovely salt and some lovely freshly cracked black pepper. And then we can get this all whisked together, get those flavours all incorporated and put this to one side. Then on at the hob with a pan, in with a generous amount of oil. So when the oil's hot enough, we can fry off the potatoes. Pop those in. Now I want to cook these pretty much all the way through, really. Get a little bit of brownness around the edge and yeah, that would be job done for those. So when they're ready, we can add our sliced onions. Pop those in, they won't take too long. I like to cook these down a little bit, get them nice and soft, because you'll find that will take away the heat and add some lovely sweetness. Give these a final stir and then we can go in with the bacon. Spread this around a little bit and we want to cook this through as we did with the rest till that's nice and tender too, not crispy. So now I'm going to drain this, so out of the pan and into a colander, and from the colander, once it's cooled a little bit, we can pop it in with the egg mixture. Get this all incorporated, and when that's done we can cover this with some cling film and just leave that to rest just for about 15 minutes, that'll be fine. And then we can go into the pan, of which we've removed most of the oil and just left a little bit. Spread this around. Of course you can check to see if this is cooked underneath. Lift it a little bit with your spatula and then you can have a sneaky peek to see if it's cooked. And when it is cooked, we can loosen the edges just a little bit with our trusty spatula. And then, so all you've got to do is take a frying pan lid like that, pop it onto your omelette, quick flip over, and there it is. Look how lovely that's done. Now we've just got to very carefully put it back into the frying pan. And then cook the other side. Probably, and cook it on the other side for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then you end up with this. Now doesn't that look delicious? We'll just put a little bit of greenery on the top, parsley of course, and take a slice. Beautiful. And there it is guys, look, so delicious. Amazing. I've had this before, I'd have it again. I could eat this any day, any time of any day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch all my future videos and all the other ones of course. So, hope you've enjoyed this and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.